Hi everyone, good evening. It's 10 o'clock at the nights, and I just came from work to my home, and now I am going to talk about my today's topic. So, this is day 11, and I am going to talk about a person who inspired me to speak English. Actually, this is a little story. So, without wasting times, let's start because I have already let's. So and do you know? But my wife waiting for me to me for a dinner. So first I completed my topics, and after that I will go to dinner. So friends, one day I I was watching English related video on my mobile. So at that times my daughter suddenly saw me, and she said me, Papa, you understand English? So at that times I said my daughters, yeah, my dear daughters, I understand English a little bit, and uh, after that I speak my daughter, but why are you asking these questions? So my daughter, Papa, I noticed you understand English means you can speak English. Oh my God. After that I said, oh no, it's impossible. My English is very bad. Papa, your English is very nice, but you don't have confidence to speak English in front of people. But after that I said to my papa, no, I am not interested to speak English. So that's time. At that times, I ignored her. But next day, she again and again forced me to that. Papa, please, you learn English. Your English is good. You can speak English. So after that, I decided that. So Sachin, let's go and learn English because it is your because your daughter want to learn English to me. So I decided to speak English. I decided to learn English. So after that, a few minutes after a few minutes again I was watching video on my mobile. So in video one person talking that's if you want to learn English, if you want to improve English, if you want to speak English, so you can join my WhatsApp group. So after that I join that's WhatsApp groups, and actually that's WhatsApp group is Amrim madam. She created WhatsApp group for beginner level students, and I am also beginner, and now I am learning English. So after that, in this on these groups, I was I was talking English. My friends Ali, Sanvi, so many members I forgets, and Devi Shri, Surya, so many members, and there are so many people talking with each other and practice each other. So after 1 month, I my confidence grew day by day, and suddenly One day Amber madam called me, my personal call. Oh, I am shocked. Amber madam called to me. Oh my god. And that time, at that times, Amri madam said to me, Sachin, I noticed you have a confidence to speak English. Actually, you don't hesitation speak English in front of peoples. You are not afraid. You have confidence. I like it. So keep it up and keep going your lives. I am with you. You, uh, if you any problems, you call me directly, my personal call, personal. So after that, I said to Amri madam, thank you, madam. So actually, you are encouraging me and you are with me. So my company is growth. So thank you, madams. And in these groups, others members, she's name is Sanvi sister, thanks for me encouraging me. Sanvi sisters first told me, if you want to speak English, so go and write one page daily. So after that, I started write page one daily. Actually, it's helpful to me because when I writing a page, so that's time my brain thinking English, and automatically I writing. So that is helpful to me. Thank you, Sunny madams and Amri madams. So this is persons. So this is person very inspired to me to speak English. uh, so friends, it's let's for dinners. Okay, without wasting times, uh, if you like this my video, and if you want to learn English, if you want to speak English, so please connect with me and support me. I am a new YouTubers learn English with Sachin. And I hope you subscribe my channel. I hope you share my video with your friends. And I know you always bless me. So, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you for listening this video. And thank you for my subscribers. And in the end, I am in the ends. If you like this video, don't for subscribes my channels. And bye bye. See you my next video. Bye bye. And most important, take care.